If you're seeing ChatGPT error code 1002, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get ChatGPT working again as quickly as possible. This error is usually caused by a temporary connection issue, a browser problem, a VPN or proxy conflict, or a broken session in your current chat. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Let's jump right in. The first and fastest fix is to refresh the page. On Windows, press Ctrl R or just click the reload button in your browser. Sometimes ChatGPT throws a temporary error, and a simple refresh is all it needs. Temporary errors often fix instantly, so always try this first before doing anything more advanced. If the page reloads and ChatGPT starts working again, you're done. If the error still appears, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt ChatGPT and trigger error code 1002. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile hotspot, or from hotspot back to Wi-Fi. If possible, restart your router as well. This can clear up connection drops and give you a more stable signal. Once your internet is stable again, reload ChatGPT and see if the problem is gone. Now, this next step is one of the most important ones. Turn off your VPN or proxy if you're using one. VPNs often cause connection errors, especially with web apps that depend on stable server communication. Disable the VPN completely, then reload ChatGPT and check again. If you're using a browser extension that changes your location or routes your traffic through a proxy, turn that off too. In many cases, this is the real reason error code 1002 shows up. If you still have the same issue, try starting a new chat. Click New Chat and begin a fresh conversation instead of continuing the old one. Sometimes the session itself becomes corrupted or breaks in the background, and that can cause loading errors. A new chat gives you a clean session and often resolves the issue immediately. Old sessions may break, so this is a quick fix that's definitely worth trying. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Go into your browser settings, open Privacy or Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you clear cached files and cookies. Then restart your browser and sign back into ChatGPT. Over time, stored browser data can become outdated or corrupted, which can trigger strange errors like this one. Clearing cache and cookies gives you a fresh start and often fixes persistent loading problems. If the error is still happening, try ChatGPT in Incognito Mode. Open a private window and log in there instead. Incognito Mode removes many common causes of browser issues, including extensions and stored session problems. If ChatGPT works in incognito, but not in your regular browser window, that usually means an extension, cookie, or saved session is causing the problem. From there, you can disable extensions one by one until you find the cause. So to recap, the best order to fix ChatGPT error code 1002 is to refresh the page first, check your internet connection, turn off your VPN or proxy, start a new chat, clear cache and cookies, and then test incognito mode. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue without needing anything more advanced. If your ChatGPT is still not working after trying all of these fixes, let me know in the comments what device and browser you're using, and I'll help you troubleshoot further. If this video helped, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple fixes, tutorials, and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.